Good evening, everyone. Respected principal, vice principal, teachers, non-teaching staff, parents, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to all of you on this beautiful evening. Our annual function, a yearly celebration of our school, which we all look forward to showcase and celebrate our talents and efforts with excitement, pride, and just a hint of nostalgia. Of course, today isn't just about showcasing your performances, speeches, or awards. It's about celebrating who we are as a school family, looking back at the years past and looking forward to the coming years. Tonight, we all come together to not just celebrate a successful year, but the talents and efforts of everyone coming together to make tonight possible. From the students who expect themselves to dance, music, art, and acts, to the teachers who taught and coordinated everybody to everyone in between with their amazing efforts. Now, before beginning the evening's performances, let us take a moment to appreciate and acknowledge the people who make this school all that it is. Our respected principal, vice principal, teachers, parents, and of course, the students. A very warm welcome to all of you. Now, get ready to witness a cascade of talent, from infectiously rhythmic dances, mesmerizingly soulful songs, to thought-provoking acts. We've got it all and more. So just sit back, relax, and let the evening of happiness, laughter, inspiration unfold. Once again, welcome everyone to this beautiful occasion of New Depot School's annual function. Thank you and enjoy the show.